Welcome to Introduction to Prompt Definitions, part of the Exploring Prompt Definitions series. You can incorporate the power of large language models directly into your business logic by creating a prompt definition. In this video, we will define what prompt definitions are and explore how they're used in Nextworld, and examine how prompt definitions connect large language models through logic blocks. A prompt definition is a structured way to tell a large language model what you want it to do, using plain language instructions combined with dynamic inputs from your application. In other words, it's a written prompt that includes input values dynamically when sent to the LLM. This definition gives developers control over how AI is used in business logic. While agents are designed for open-ended tasks across your applications, prompt definitions give you direct access to an LLM for targeted tasks, such as parsing and extracting data from documents, summarizing and categorizing data, and writing details based on inputs. Prompt definitions are managed inside the Model and Prompt Definitions application. You can access prompt definitions from the Intelligence homepage of Developer Studio. Application developers and system administrators use this application to view, create, and manage these definitions across environments. While model definitions rely on data training and statistical learning, prompt definitions take a different approach, leveraging pre-trained large language models to process and interpret text dynamically. Additionally, vision models allow you to process images and PDFs attached to records. Please note that the LLM providers supported by Nextworld currently do not use data exposed through APIs to train their models. Verify this in their terms of service. Each execution is secure, transient, and specific to your environment. Now that we have defined prompt definitions and explored how they're used in Nextworld, let's examine how prompt definitions connect large language models through logic blocks. Once created, a prompt definition can be used directly within a logic block, the building blocks of business logic in Nextworld. When a logic block runs, it calls the prompt definition, passes in field values as inputs, and uses the model's response to update data or trigger actions. A prompt definition defines the data the LLM should return, based on the output fields you configure in the platform. For example, a prompt definition might take a product description and ask the model to suggest a product category. Or it could analyze a document to extract key details, such as contract terms or contact types. This integration allows developers to add natural language reasoning and AI-driven insights to traditional application logic. Let's look at a simple example. In the directory integration application, a prompt definition helps identify whether a directory record refers to a person or an organization. The prompt uses two fields: input, directory name, and output, contact type. The written prompt looks like this. System prompt: you are responsible for evaluating new entries into your company directory. Your job is to review the name of a new contact and identify if the name represents the name of an organization or the name of a person. User prompt: does directory name represent a person or organization? When this prompt definition runs on a record with a directory name like Wang, Evelyn, the name value is dynamically inserted into the prompt. The LLM evaluates the text and returns person, automatically setting the correct contact type. Prompt definitions use merge text template syntax to include dynamic data in the prompt text. You can send an attachment, such as a PDF or an image, to to the LLM for analysis using this syntax. A more advanced use case might involve extracting key clauses from a contract using that same approach. The prompt for this example might be, extract the key clauses from the following contract, attachment group ID. For more information on the specific syntax required, please refer to Next World Help. In the next video, we'll walk through creating a prompt definition that can parse a project plan and generate structured data. Thank you for watching Introduction to Prompt Definitions. In this video, we defined what prompt definitions are and explored how they're used in Nextworld, and examined how prompt definitions connect large language models to business logic through logic blocks. To learn more about prompt definitions, please refer to Next World Help.